everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Stuart, the Minion. It's gonna be super easy, it's gonna be fun, so come join us. All right, let's get started with Stuart. I'm super excited. What we're gonna do first is his head. So I'm gonna draw one curve like this, and it kind of looks like a rainbow, right?
Yeah.
So I did a little bit of space on top and a space on the side.
Okay.
So the top of his head is like a rainbow. Okay, so then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two vertical lines. So first I'm going to draw one on the right side. I'm going to draw one vertical line coming down. And then do the same thing on the other side, okay?
That's nice.
Perfect. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a little curve on this side. So I'm just going to draw a curve just like this. You see how I made a curve?
Yeah.
It's not too big, but it's like a little curve. Perfect. And then do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Good job. And then from there, we could draw the details of his face. So what we could do is he has one big eye. Stuart has only one big eye in the middle. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a circle, and it's going to be kind of big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one circle. This is where his eye is going to be, in the middle. I know, you see, I left a little bit of space here, right? And I left some space on the side, but I drew a circle.
That's really good.
There we have his eye. His eye is a circle, and then we could draw the details of his eye. So inside, I'm going to make another circle. I'm just going to leave a little bit of space. So look, this is how I'm going to do it.
Well, he has one big pupil.
One big pupil, right? Well, this is like his goggle. But this is a circle inside. So this is his goggle, and this is still a part of it. So do a circle inside. Good job. Perfect. And now we're going to draw his eye. So that's his goggle, right? And then for his eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle in the middle. So we're going to leave a lot of space, but I'm going to draw a circle right here. Good job. And then in the middle, we're going to draw a really small circle. So I'm going to draw one just like this.
Oh, that's so small.
Yeah.
So cute.
Good job. You're good at circles. I love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw like a moon. Remember that little crescent we saw tonight? We're going to draw one right at the bottom here. So I'm just going to draw one curve like this, almost like a smiley face. So you could do that at the bottom of this circle. You could do it right here. That's perfect. And then we could continue with his body. So now that we have his eye and we know that goes there, we could just finish his body so we know where everything else is going, okay? So right in the middle, I'm going to leave space here and here. I'm just going to draw a horizontal line right here. But that is exactly perfect.
That's good.
That's so good. We're going to draw his mouth. So his mouth, he's going to be smiling. He's always happy. Cheese. So what I'm going to do is right under his eye, the same size of his eye, right, Mommy? I'm going to make a curve like a smiley face, just like this. So this is a smiley face. All right, so after this curve, we're going to make his mouth open. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a curve that looks like a hook like that a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to do a big smile to connect it, okay? So I'm going to make a big curve just to connect his smile. Oh, that's perfect. I love it. And then we could draw the details of his smile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a thinner marker. And did I not give you a thinner one? Here you go. So for now, you could close this one. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to leave a little bit of space. This is like his lips. So I'm going to make a curve, just like his smiley face, right?
Okay.
And then we're going to just continue it. Make his mouth, okay? So make the curves.
Wow.
All right, there we have his lips. So you got your other marker again?
Oh, okay.
That was it. That's all we needed that marker for, just a little detail. And now we could draw his teeth. So inside, what I'm going to do is right in the middle, I'm going to come down. I'm going to go right in the middle. I'm going to make a little vertical line right under his lip. And then we're going to make two curves, and this kind of looks like a cat mouth. Like when I go like this and I curve it, it kind of looks like a cat mouth, right? So you could do those two curves. That's going to be his teeth.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then we're going to finish that curve and go up to his lip like the letter U on each side. And
looks like bunny teeth.
it looks like bunny teeth now, right? But then we're going to make 2 more teeth. So we're going to make a curve like the letter U. So I'm going to come from this line that we made. I'm going to make a curve like the letter U and go up to his lip. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I made 2 letter U's and 2 curves. So there we have his teeth. And then we continue. So guys, all we really have left are his clothes, his legs, and his arms. That is it. And then we're done, okay? So what we're going to do is, right under his mouth, we're going to make 1 horizontal line. I'm going to make a horizontal line just like this. And I left a little bit of space. So leave a little bit of space under his mouth and make 1 horizontal line. And I leave space on each side.
Okay.
That is perfect. That is almost straight, girl. You got this. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
And then what we're going to do is I'm going to make a curve going down like that.
Aha.
And then I'm going to make something that looks like a slide.
Slide.
Right? So I'm going to come down like a slide and then curve out. I left a little bit of space, right? So it doesn't go all the way down to his body.
Okay.
So I went down like a slide and I curved it out to the side. Oh, perfect. And then do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to make the slide and it's going to curve to the left. Perfect. You're doing such a good job. I love it. So his overalls have little straps, like suspenders on his things. So from the top of this horizontal line we made, we're going to make a diagonal line that goes to his body. Just like that. So from the horizontal line, you make a diagonal line to his body. Perfect. And then we're going to leave a little bit of space in the middle. And then we're going to make another diagonal line. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So from the horizontal line, make a diagonal line to his body. Then we're going to make the pocket. So he has a pocket. So right under this horizontal line, we're going to make another horizontal line. So I'm going to make a big curve or a smiley face like the letter U. Perfect. And then on his body, we're going to leave a little bit of space. And I'm just going to make a horizontal line right here. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. So now we could do his legs. So for his legs, where we stop this curve, I'm going to make 1 diagonal line just like this. And then we're going to do the same thing on this one. We're going to make a diagonal line. Perfect. And then on the horizontal line, we're going to make a diagonal line, but I left space in the middle, okay? So look, I'm going to go like this and I'm going to make a diagonal line and there's space in the middle. You stopped it at like the same height. I was going to say that. We got to stop it almost at the same, and I'm going to do one right over here as well. Perfect. And then what we're going to do is to close it, because these are his legs, we're going to make horizontal lines. So I'm going to make a horizontal line connecting the 2 points, just like this.
Good.
So those are going to be his legs, and then from his legs we could draw his shoes. So we're going to come in a little bit, not right here, not at this point, but just a little bit in. We're going to make a little diagonal line like this to the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to make one, not at this point, I'm going to go in a little bit more. I'm going to make a diagonal line to the right. And then we're going to make a boot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a short line like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then I'm going to make one curve that looks like a boot. So I'm going to curve it like that and then connect it here. Perfect. There's one boot. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to curve it like a hook. So there we have his feet and his shoes, and then we could do his arms. So for his arms, what we're going to do is I'm going to make right at this diagonal line, right on the outside, I'm going to make a curved line that goes down to like this horizontal line. So it's going to curve down. And then we're going to do another one a little lower. So we're going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to make a curve that goes down. Perfect. So there we have his arm, and then we could draw his hands. So his hands have gloves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one curve like a frown, like a sad face. So I'm going to make one curve like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make his gloves. So I'm gonna make 2 little vertical lines like this that come down, and then we're gonna draw a thumb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make something that looks like the letter U. So we're gonna go down, make a curve, and it looks like the letter U. And then we're gonna make something that looks like a hill or a mountain, and we're gonna go like this. And then we're gonna make his other finger. So I'm gonna make something that looks like a banana. So I'm gonna curve it like this, and I'm gonna come back like this. And then we're gonna draw one more finger. So we make that little curve like a rainbow, and then we're gonna make a U again, and then just one curve like this that goes to that vertical line we made. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this arm. So right at this diagonal line that we did, we're gonna do the same thing, okay? So we're gonna make that curve for his arm that goes down, and then draw the other one in the inside. So we did this arm, and what we're doing, guys, is that we're just gonna copy the same style of arm on this side, and we're gonna do the hand backwards. So we already did the arm, and then for the gloves, we're just gonna do the same thing, just put the thumb on this side. So we're just gonna fast forward that part for you guys. So there we have his other arm, and now what we could do is, honestly, all we have left is one more detail, and that's like his goggles. So the strap for his goggles. So right in the middle of his circle, maybe the size of his eyeball, I'm gonna draw one horizontal line that goes to his goggle, just like that. I'm gonna leave some space like we have been, and then I'm gonna draw another horizontal line, and those are the straps of his goggle. And then like we always do, we imagine like we pass through the eye, but we're not going to. And then from his eye to the side of his head, we'll make a horizontal line here, and then one more on the bottom. Wow. And then the last thing are the little details of his clothes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw little horizontal lines like this. They're like the stitching. So look, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna draw little horizontal lines just like this throughout all his overalls. And we'll continue, and I'll come down here, down to the side, and in his pocket, and that's it, okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, and there we have Stuart. There we have it. Oh my God, Emmy Girls came out so awesome. I love it. But hopefully you guys found that fun. And then right now what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils you have, and make it super magical. So stay tuned to see the final product, guys. All right, guys, there we have Stuart the Minion. He looks so cool, right?
So fun.
It was so fun, she said. I love it. She did such a good job. Oh my God, it looks just like him. He looks so happy. We just did like traditional colors. You could see our little details, but hopefully you guys found it as fun as we did. Hopefully it was easy for you guys too. Please stay tuned for more Minion characters, Disney characters, anything you could really imagine. And please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yay.
See ya.
Bye.